So we'll continue. I hope you know what is, by now you know what is parametric function. That is, you'll have two variables, but those two variables will not be dependent on each other, but it will be dependent on the third variable. That is, here if you see, it is theta. And I have given you quite a few as homework questions. I hope you have done. Okay, those who have done, you just check the answers. I'll be doing it quickly so that I'll wind up this parametric today itself. Okay, so that we can move to the next concept. Once it is done, then the majority of the differentiation is done. We just have to discuss about two more theorems, that is the mean value theorem and Rolle's theorem. Okay, so yeah, this was a homework question. Those who have got the answer, you can put the answer in the chat box. Okay, those who have got the answer, you can put the answers in the chat box. This was a homework question, right? So they have given x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta. So they have asked you to find what is dy by dx. As you can see here, x is in terms of theta and y is also in terms of theta. So in order to find dy by dx, you should know what is dy by d theta. That is, you have to differentiate y with respect to theta, and then you have to differentiate x with respect to theta. Okay, you have to differentiate x with respect to theta. So find what is dy by d theta. That is d by d theta of a sin theta. So you can see a is a constant and it is in the form of product. So you can take a outside. So it becomes a into d by d theta of sin theta. Now tell me, what is the derivative of sin theta? What is the derivative of sin theta? What is the derivative of sin theta? It is cos theta, correct? Derivative of sin theta is cos theta. So you will get a into cos theta. Okay. Then you have to find what is dx by d theta. Okay, you have to find what is dx by d theta. That is d by d theta of a into cos theta. Again, a is a constant, so take it out. It is a into d by d theta of cos theta. So that is a into, what is the derivative of cos theta? What is the derivative of cos theta, students? Minus sin theta. Okay, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. So you will be getting minus a sin theta. So then substitute these two in the equation. So you will get a cos theta divided by minus a sin theta. So a get cancelled. So it is minus of cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. Okay, cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. I hope you have got the answer. Since these are homework questions, I'll be moving quick. I won't be in detail I'll be explaining. So that next is, this was also a homework question, right? Or we had done in the class. This was a class work. Okay. I think this was a homework question. Correct? Right, students? This was a homework question, right? Yes, okay. The previous one was done in the class itself. Okay. So now, again, x is equal to, good Dikshita, x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b cos theta. Okay, they have given x in terms of theta and y is also in terms of theta, which means it is a parametric functions. So to find dy by dx, what you have to find first? Dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So first find what is dy by d theta. So dy by d theta is d by d theta of b cos theta. Okay. So b is a constant. It is in the product form. So you can take it out. So it is b into d by d theta of cos theta. What is the derivative of cos theta? What is the derivative of cos theta, students? It is minus sin theta. So it is minus b sin theta. Okay, then you find what is dx by d theta. It is d by d theta of a cos theta. Again, a is a constant. A into, what is the derivative of cos theta? I'll be skipping certain steps. What is the derivative of cos theta? Again, it is minus sin theta. So you'll be getting minus a sin theta. So what is the answer? Minus b sin theta divided by minus a sine theta. Since sine theta get cancels, minus minus get cancels. So b by a is your answer. Okay, your answer is b by a. Those who have done the homework, just check your answers. Those who have stuck somewhere, you just check where you had gone wrong. Okay, and make the corrections. You can take a screenshot and later you can check. Okay, next question. I think this was also a homework question, correct? Yes, okay. So then x is equal to sine t and y is equal to cos 2t. Okay, x is equal to sine t and y is equal to cos 2t. So you can see x and y are in terms of some third variable. So it is a parametric function. When you have parametric function, the derivative is dy by dx is equal to dy by dt, good Nitya Lakshmi, into dx by dt. Okay, so you have to find what is dy by dt. Okay, that is d by dt of cos 2t. What is the derivative of cos 2t? Let me see who will give me the answer. What is the derivative of cos 2t? What is the derivative of cos 2t? It is minus 2 sine 2t, correct? Minus 2 sine 2t. Okay, yes, because we are applying chain rule over here. First you have to write the derivative of cos. What is the derivative of cos? It is minus sign. But here in place of x, and bare t ididre ashte nilisbodittu, but here we have 2t. So write it as it is. But then you have to multiply it with the derivative of 2t because we are applying the chain rule. If it was directly cos t, then your answer would have been minus sin t. But here it is cos 2t, some other variable you have. So you have to multiply with the derivative of that particular thing. So what is the derivative of 2t? It is 2. So you will be getting minus 2 sine 2t. Okay. So, but we know the formula of sine 2t. What is the formula of sine 2t? What is the formula of sine 2t, students? What is the formula? Sine 2x. What is the formula of sine 2x? 2 sine t cos t. Good Nitya Lakshmi. So it is 2 sine, again 2 into minus 2 hage bardidini, sine 2t. Sine 2x formula is 2 sine x cos x. Okay, 2 sine x cos x. So you will get 2 sine t into cos t. So it is minus 4 sine t into cos t. Okay, minus 4 sine t into cos t. Okay, now you find what is dx by dt. Find what is dx by dt. That is d by dt of sin t. What is d by dt of sin t? What is the derivative of sin t? What is the derivative of sin t, students? It is cos t. Okay. Yes, we got what is dy by dt. We got what is dx by dt. Substitute it. So it is minus 4 sin t cos t divided by cos t. So cos t get cancelled. So it is minus 4 sin t. Okay, it is minus 4 sin t. Okay, hope you have got the answer. Take a screenshot of this. You can check the answer later. I'll be moving to the next question. This we had done. Was this a homework question? Was this a homework question? Yes, this was also homework. Okay. Okay, again you can see x is in terms of some theta and y is also in terms of theta. So you have to go for parametric differentiation. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದ್ರ ಸೇಮ್ ತರ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Here x is in terms of theta and y is also in terms of theta. So we are going for parametric differentiation. There are different methods which you have studied. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಪಾಪ್ ಅಪ್ ಆದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ which method you have to do. Okay, so here you can see x is in terms of theta and y is also in terms of theta. Therefore you have to go for parametric differentiation. So what parametric differentiation says? Dy by dx is nothing but dy by dt, so d theta divided by dx by d theta. So first you have to find what is dy by dx theta. So dy by d theta is equal to Okay, d by d theta of what is y? Y is nothing but sine theta minus 2, sine 2 theta. Okay, so it is different. Derivative of the difference is nothing but difference of the derivatives. It is derivative of difference anta ide. So then in baribodu d by d theta of sine theta minus d by d theta of sine 2 theta anta baribodu. Okay, derivative of difference is equal to difference of the derivatives. So what is the derivative of sine theta? It is cos theta minus what is the derivative of sine 2 theta? What is the derivative of sine 2 theta? First ಗೆ sine ಇದು derivative ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ sine 2 theta ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. So chain rule apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ನೆನಪಾಗಬೇಕು, chain rule apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು. So what is the derivative of sine? Sine ಇದು derivative cos. So cos 2 theta ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಮುಗಿಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೇ theta ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಬಹುದಿತ್ತು. But here it is 2 theta. So you have to multiply with the derivative of 2 theta. What is the derivative of 2 theta? It is 2. So your answer is cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. Okay, cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. Okay, then you find what is dx by d theta. Okay, that is d by d theta of cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. So that is again derivative of the difference is equal to difference of the derivative. So that is d by d theta of cos theta minus d by d theta of cos 2 theta. Okay. First thing first, what is the derivative of cos theta? It is minus sin theta. Okay. Minus. What is the derivative of cos 2 theta? Yeah. You can take. You can. Okay, Nitya Lakshmi. Yeah, you can do that also. That is fine. Completely fine. If you have got the same answer, it is completely fine. Okay. Fine. So d by d theta of cos 2 theta. So what is the derivative of cos theta? It is sine. But here it is 2 theta. No, cos 2 theta. No, then I should remember it is a chain rule. So first it is minus sine 2 theta into 2 because derivative of 2 theta is 2. So that will be minus sine theta, minus into minus is plus 2 sine 2 theta. Okay, substitute these in this particular equation, so you will get the answer. So your answer should be, that is 2. I'll just write it as it is, minus sine theta, sorry, what was dy by dx? What was dy by dx? It is, okay, you just substitute the values. Okay, that gives you the answers. So just substitute what is dy by d theta, what is dx by d theta. That is your answer. Can we move on? Can we move to the next question? Yes, okay, fine. I hope you have got the same answer. So this was the last homework question, right? This was the last homework question, right? Yes, okay. So yeah, from here we'll continue again. We will continue with the next question. So you have to find what is dy by dx. Okay, you have to find what is dy by dx, where x is equal to a into theta minus sin theta and y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. So when you see that, you should remember we have to go for the parametric differentiation type. Okay, so what you will do first, those who have understood, you can solve. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. You can solve by yourself because by now you are like a pro because you know all the derivatives. Okay, so ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವರು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದವರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. So you can listen. Okay, so x is equal to a into theta minus sin theta and y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. So we want what is dy by dx. Okay, so first you have to find what is dx by d theta. So dx by d theta is equal to d by d theta of a into theta minus sin theta. A into theta minus sin theta. Okay, again that is equal to, here you can see a is a constant and it is in the product form, so you can take it out. Okay, you can take it out, so you'll be remaining with d by d theta of theta minus sine theta. Okay, d by d theta of theta minus sine theta. So that is a into, again it is derivative of the difference, that is nothing but difference of the derivative. So you'll be getting d by d theta of theta minus d by d theta of sine theta. Okay, what is the derivative of theta? What is the derivative of theta? It is 1 minus, what is derivative of sine theta? What is derivative of sine theta, students? It is cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta. So a into 1 minus cos theta. Okay. Now you find what is, so this is your dx by d theta. Now you find what is dy by d theta. So it is d by d theta of a into 1 plus cos theta. So a is a constant, take it out. Directly I'll write the next step, d by d theta of 1 plus d by d theta of cos theta. Okay. So that is a into, what is the derivative of a constant with respect to theta? What is derivative of 1 with respect to theta, students? What is derivative of 1 with respect to theta? It is 0. Subramania, it is not 1, it is 0 because 1 is a constant. Derivative of a constant is always 0. So it is 0. Okay, plus you have derivative of cos theta is what? What is the derivative of cos theta? What is the derivative of cos theta? It is minus sine theta. So 0 minus sine theta it will become. So it is minus a sine theta. Okay, your aim is to find what is dy by dx, that is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Okay, that is what is dy by d theta? Dy by d theta is minus a sine theta divided by a into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, a get cancelled, so we'll be remaining with minus sine theta by 1 minus cos theta. Can you see some similarity? Ide tarada problems ನಾವು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, sin theta by 1 plus cos theta ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. Do you remember the previous problem which we had done in the last class? Same kind of problem. Yes. So what was the substitution? Now you tell me what we have to, not substitution, what is the formula that we have used? What is the formula that we have used? Check. You have written, right, everything? Check. Check and tell. Check and tell. Jana bitta idaralla. Participants are leaving. When I am telling you have to check, when I am asking you to check the answers, you are leaving. Yes, good Dikshita, good Sahana, good Nitya Lakshmi. Yes, Ankita, good. So you have to apply sin 2x formula, correct? Do you remember what is sin 2x formula? I'll write all these things here. So sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Okay. Here we have, in place of x, we have theta. That is not 2 theta, we have just sin theta. So what is derivative, what can be done with theta? Sin theta. Okay. So sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2, half of the angle, correct, good. Cos theta by 2. Okay, sin theta, sin 2x iddadu sin x cos x ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. Sin theta ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ half ಆಗಬೇಕು, half the angle theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So this will become minus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 divided by, what should I do the substitution for 1 minus cos theta? What should be the substitution for 1 minus cos theta, students? If it was 1 plus cos theta, then 2 cos square theta by 2 anta bartidvi. Now it is 1 minus cos theta. What should be the substitution? What should be the substitution? If it was 1 plus cos theta, then what is the formula for cos 2x? Cos 2x formula enittu. See, I am writing in black ink. That is the formula. Okay. So it is 2 cos square x minus 1, and one more formula you have, that is 1 minus 2 sine square x. Correct? Do you remember the two formulas? Actually we have three formulas, but right, not three, four formulas we have. So cos 2x can also be written as 2 cos square x minus 1, 2 cos square x minus 1, or it can also be written as 1 minus 2 sine square x. Okay, so if I have 1 minus cos 2x, okay, 1 minus cos 2x, it is nothing but 2 sine square x. Okay, if it is 1 minus cos 2x, it is nothing but 2 sine square x. Okay, if it is 1 minus cos 2x, then it is 2 sine square x. Okay, here you can see we have 1 minus cos theta. So what should be the substitution? What should be the substitution, students? What should be the substitution? 1 minus cos 2x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 2 sin square x ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನಾನು rearrange ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. This is a simple thing. Okay, so what you have to do, you can write it as 2 sin square x. Here now I have 1 minus cos theta. So theta iddade enagbeku, theta by 2. Good, you have given the answer. So that is 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, so 2 get cancels. 1 sin theta by 2 and 1 sin theta by 2 is cancelled. So minus of cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2. What is cos theta by sin theta? What is cos by sin? What is cos by sin, students? It is cot. So here it is minus cot. The angle is theta by 2. So it should be theta by 2. It should be theta by 2. Cot minus cot theta by 2. Did you get the answer, everyone? Did you get the answer? Yes. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Okay, this is a simple question. Let me see who will give me the answer first. I'll just give you 2 minutes, 1 minute, not to 1 minute. You just think what could be done. Okay, just think about this, what could be done. What could be done? Okay, so if you have the idea, go for it. Okay, if you still have something which is bothering you, you just follow me. Okay, so it is x is equal to a secant theta. I want the last answers. X is equal to a secant theta and y is equal to b tan theta. Okay, x is equal to a secant theta, y is equal to b tan theta. Now I'll ask certain persons, only those people have to answer. Okay, only those people have to answer. Okay, only those people have to answer. I have locked the meeting. Now, no, if you leave, you cannot enter the meeting. Okay, fine. So now, okay, so first you have to find what is dx by d theta. Dx by d theta. So you have to find what is the derivative of secant theta. Okay, derivative of secant a into secant theta. So a is a constant. It is a into d by d theta of secant theta. Okay, I'll ask someone to answer it. Okay, Almas, what is the derivative of secant theta? Almas, just type the answer in the chat box. What is the derivative of secant theta? What is the derivative of secant theta? What is the derivative of secant theta? Almas? Okay, I think Almas is thinking about it. Alvin, what is the answer? What is the answer for, what is the derivative of secant theta? Okay, Almas has given me the answer. What is the answer? Secant theta. Almas, check your answer. Almas, check your answer. Alvin, what is the answer? Okay, others are giving me the answer, but what about Alvin? Alvin, Almas, you should check your answer. Okay, Almas have to check your answer. Ashwini, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. These are the things which you had studied, right? Alvin, check your answer. Check your answer, Alvin. Bhagya, Ashwini. No? Ashwini, check your answer. Bhagya. I have told you many times. I have told you this many times. Unless you study the derivatives, the basic derivatives, you cannot move ahead. You will be stuck. Okay, so that is A into derivative of secant theta is, what is the derivative? It is secant theta. Good, Elvina. It is secant theta into tan theta. Okay, derivative of secant theta is secant theta into tan theta. Okay, secant theta into tan theta. Okay, next, okay, so we have got what is dx by d theta. Now next is what you have to find, what is dy by d theta. You have to find what is dy by d theta. So that is d by d theta of b into tan theta. Okay, b into tan theta. So b is a constant. D by d theta of, okay, now I'll ask someone, they have to answer. So where did we stop? Okay, Clara. Bhagya has also not answered. Bhagya, Clara and Ashwini. You people have to answer me the derivative of tan theta. What is the derivative of tan theta? What is the derivative of tan theta? What is the derivative of? See, if you delay, then I have to skip certain problems. Good, Elvina. Ashwini, what is the derivative of tan theta? Check your answer, Ashwini. Clara, Bhagya, secant square theta. Good, Clara. Yes. Okay. So it is b into derivative of tan theta is secant square theta. Substitute the things. So it is dy by dx is equal to a into secant theta. B into secant square theta divided by a into secant theta tan theta. Okay. So one secant get cancels. Yes, final answer is b by a cosecant theta. Good, Dikshita. So we have secant b by a. Okay, b by a is fine. But we have one more thing. Secant theta by tan theta we have. Okay, secant theta by tan theta. What is secant theta? I can write secant theta as 1 by cos theta. Correct? Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta into, okay, into. What is the, how can I write tan theta? Tan theta is cos by sine, correct? Tan theta is cos by sine, but now I have it as 1 by tan theta. What is 1 by tan theta? 1 by tan theta is cot theta, correct? Correct. Denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ tan ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು 1 by tan theta ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. 1 by tan theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ cot theta. Cot theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. Correct? Correct. So I can cancel cos and cos. So I'll be remaining with 1 by sin theta. What is 1 by sin theta? It is cosecant theta. So secant theta by tan theta is always cosecant theta. So your answer is b by a cosecant theta. b by a cosecant theta. Okay, hope you have got the answer. We'll move to the next question. Okay, this is your next question. Now you should be quick with the answers. Okay, I'll ask certain people to answer now. Otherwise this won't work. Every time if only few people are answering, then you won't learn the things. Okay, so x is equal to a into cos theta plus theta into sin theta. Okay, you have to find what is dx by d theta. That is d by d theta of, okay, a into cos theta plus theta into sin theta. So a is a constant, take it out. So you'll be remaining with d by d theta of cos theta plus d by d theta of theta into sin theta. Okay, fine. When the questions are there, people leave. Okay, Vani, what is the derivative of cos theta? Vani, what is the derivative of cos theta? Just type the answer in the chat box. Vani. What is the derivative of cos theta, Vani? A into see, from next time, if I see any unknown names like Redmi and some Vivo was also there, and if I see those names, I'll just remove you from the class. I want the exact name, whoever it is. So, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta plus. Here you have theta into sin theta. Theta into sin theta, you have to apply UV rule. Okay, you have to apply UV rule. That is the product rule. What product rule says? First function is theta. Second function is sin theta. Okay, first function into derivative of the second. What is the derivative of sin theta? It is cos theta plus second is sin theta into derivative of the first. What is the derivative of theta with respect to theta, students? What is the derivative? It is 1. Good. So sin theta into 1 is sin theta. So you can see minus sin theta plus sin theta get cancels. So we'll be left out with a into theta cos theta. Okay, dx by d theta. Now you find what is dy by d theta. Okay, find what is dy by d theta. Those are answering good, students. Okay, it is just that I have to ask others also what they are doing in the class. So sin theta, you have to find what is derivative of sin theta minus theta into cos theta. So again, take a outside. So you'll be remaining with d by d theta of sin theta minus d by d theta of theta into cos theta. Okay, fine. So that is a into, what is the derivative of sin theta? Derivative of sin theta is cos theta minus, again there is a product. So you have to apply UV rule. So this is the first function, this is the second function. But you have minus here, so you should be careful with the minus. So put a bracket. Whenever you have minus, put a bracket to be on a safer side. So minus into theta, and first function is theta into derivative of cos theta. Derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta plus second function into derivative of the first. What is the derivative of theta? It is 1. Now you remove the bracket. So it is cos theta minus into minus is plus. So it is theta sin theta. Minus into plus is minus into cos theta. So again cos theta and minus cos theta get cancels. So we will be left out with a into theta sin theta. So what is dy by dx? It is dy by d theta, that is a into theta sin theta divided by a into theta cos theta. So a cancels, theta is cancelled, sin theta by tan theta, sorry, cos theta is tan theta. Okay, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Fine. Okay. So this is the next question. This is the next question. Here they have given you the answer also. You should get what you should get as an answer. You should get as answer minus y by x. Andre y anta helidre no square root of a cos inverse t. X anta helidre square root of a sin inverse t. So nimage ee form alli bantu anta helidre adannu resubstitute ಮಾಡಿ. It should be y by x. Find the answer. What is check whether you will get the answer as y by x when you do dy by dx. Okay, when you do dy by dx, check whether you will get it as an answer. So x is equal to dx by dt because sin is in terms of t. Okay, dx by dt is square root of a to the power sin inverse t. So before we proceed, tell me what is the derivative of root x? What is the derivative of root x, students? What is the derivative of root x? Okay, after 2 minutes the session gets over. Kindly rejoin. Please rejoin because I have to complete this. There are one more problem which I have to complete. So do rejoin. Okay. So d by dx of square root of x. What is the derivative? 1 by 2 root x. Okay. Okay. What is the derivative of a power x? What is the derivative of a power x? What is the derivative of a power x, students? What is the derivative of a power x? A power x. It is a power x into log a. Derivative of a power x is a power x into log a. Forgot? Okay. What is the derivative of sine inverse x? What is the derivative of sine inverse x? What is the derivative of sine inverse x, students? 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. What is the derivative of cos inverse x? Okay, you take this as homework. I won't be continuing. You just take this as homework. I have told you all the derivatives. Okay, you have to apply chain rule here. Okay, derivative of cos inverse x is 1 by minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, do this as homework. We will meet in the next class.